Welcome to the Voxtelesys Portal Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to enable two-factor authentication in the Voxtelesys portal. To begin, log into the Voxtelesys portal. Click on your profile name in the top right corner of the page. Click on Profile. Click on the Edit Profile button below. Toggle on Use Two-Factor Authentication. Use a time-based, one-time password-supported authenticator app. Scan the QR code or type in the code located below the QR code. Next, enter the 6-digit code you received from the authenticator app. Log out and log back in. You'll need to turn on two-factor, then open your authenticator app to enter the code. You might get errors in logging in if two-factor authentication is enabled on your account and you do not use the security code, enter the wrong or expired code, or if you try to enter a random code. Otherwise, two-factor authentication should be all set up on your account. Congratulations! You've successfully set up two-factor authentication on the Voxtelesys portal. Check back for more helpful videos in the Voxtelesys portal, as well as other helpful guides.